Shy behavior is very common among children. There is nothing wrong in being shy. It's just a part of their behavior and the way they respond to the outside world. Shyness doesn't always go away over time, but children can learn to be more confident and comfortable interacting with other people. So here are certain tips to help a shy child. But before we move forward, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Your Pediatrician, for more such informative parenting videos and turn on notifications. So the first tip is give your child time to feel comfortable. Avoid pushing them to go to an unfamiliar adult. Instead, encourage the adult to play with a toy near your child and use a calm voice. Stay with your child in social situations and encourage them to explore. When your child gets more confident and comfortable, try to move gradually away for short periods. Let your child know that their feelings are okay and you will help them manage their feelings. But avoid over-comforting. Extra attention might accidentally encourage your child's shy behavior. Encourage playdates either at your house or a friend's house and go with them initially. Then you can gradually reduce the time you spend with your child at playdates. Encourage your child to take some extracurricular activities like a team sport, which will make them more confident in handling social situations and shy behavior. Praise your child's brave behavior when they interact socially so that they know they are doing great, and be specific in your child's praise. Always avoid negative comparisons with more confident siblings and build your child's self-esteem by encouraging even smaller steps towards being less shy. Most important, be a role model for your child and try to practice confident social behavior so your child can watch and learn from you as a parent. Correct other people gently in front of your child when they say your child is shy by saying he or she takes time to warm up. This will let your child know that you understand how they feel and they can deal with the situation when they are ready. And it is a very important and good idea to talk to your child's healthcare provider about other reasons for your child's shy behavior like language delay, hearing loss or autistic behavior.